Want to be a good listener? Master the art of listening. Welcome to Victoria Bbosa's How To, where I strive to help you enhance your soft skills and excel in your career. In this video, I'll dive deep into the art of listening, exploring techniques and strategies that will transform you into an exceptional listener. Whether you want to improve your personal relationships, excel in your professional life, or simply connect with others on a deeper level, mastering the skill of listening is essential. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to improve your communication skills and become a better listener, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will share valuable insights and practical tips on how to be a good listener. So, let's get started. Listening is not merely hearing words, it is an art that requires focus, empathy, and genuine interest. Being a good listener can improve your relationships, foster understanding, and promote effective communication. Here are 10 steps to becoming a good listener, along with examples. Be fully present. Give your undivided attention to the speaker, avoid distractions, and maintain eye contact. Show that you are engaged in the conversation through attentive body language, such as nodding or leaning slightly forward. For example, when a friend shares their struggles, put away your phone, face them, and actively listen. Avoid interrupting. Allow the speaker to express their thoughts without interruption. Interruptions can break the speaker's flow and inhibit open communication. Instead, let them complete their sentences and gather their thoughts. Patience is key. For example, when your colleague is sharing their ideas in a meeting, refrain from cutting them off mid-sentence. Wait for an appropriate pause to contribute to the discussion. Practice empathy. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Put yourself in the speaker's shoes and try to grasp their perspective. Empathy creates a safe space for open dialogue and fosters deeper connections. For example, if a loved one is going through a tough time, offer a supportive ear and validate their emotions without judgment. Show that you genuinely care about their well-being. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage the speaker to elaborate by asking open-ended questions that require more than a simple yes or no response. This demonstrates your interest and invites a deeper communication. For example, instead of asking, Did you have a good day? Try asking, what was the most interesting part of your day? This prompts the speaker to share more details and insights. Engage in reflective listening. Reflective listening involves paraphrasing or summarizing the speaker's words to confirm your understanding. It shows that you are actively processing the information and helps to avoid miscommunication. For example, after a friend shares their travel experiences, respond with, "If I understood correctly, you had an amazing time exploring ancient ruins and sampling local cuisines. Is that correct?" Be non-judgmental. Suspend judgment and refrain from jumping to conclusions. Allow the speaker to express their thoughts freely, even if their opinions differ from yours, respectively listening, encouraging open dialogue and understanding. For example, during a political discussion, listen to opposing viewpoints without dismissing or criticizing them. Seek to understand the underlying reasons for their perspective. Maintain eye contact. When listening to someone, maintaining eye contact demonstrates your attentiveness and interest in what they are saying. It helps create a connection and shows respect for the speaker. For example, imagine a scenario where your friend is sharing their feelings about a recent breakup. To practice maintaining eye contact, you could say, "I'm here for you. Please go ahead and share your thoughts, and I will listen with full attention." Practice patience. Being patient is crucial in effective listening. It allows the speaker to express themselves fully without feeling rushed or cut off. Give the speaker time to gather their thoughts and express them at their own pace. For example, suppose you are in a meeting and a colleague is presenting a complex idea. Instead of interrupting them, demonstrate patience by waiting until they finish speaking. Then you can ask clarifying questions or provide feedback. Show verbal and nonverbal encouragement. Verbal and nonverbal cues help the speaker feel supported and understood. Nodding, smiling, or using affirmative phrases can encourage the speaker to continue sharing their thoughts. For example, during a conversation with a family member who is describing a challenging situation, you can provide verbal encouragement by saying, "I appreciate you sharing this with me. It must have been difficult. Take your time. I'm here to listen." Minimize distractions. To be a good listener, minimize distractions that may divert your attention from the speaker. Put away electronic devices, find a quiet environment, and focus solely on the conversation at hand. For example, you are having a one-on-one discussion with a co-worker. To minimize distractions, turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, or create a conducive environment that promotes focused listening. Remember, the goal is to create a space where the speaker feels heard and valued. By incorporating these additional steps into your listening practice, you can enhance your communication and build stronger connections with others. And that's a wrap for today's video on mastering the art of listening. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you are inspired to put them into practice. Remember, being a good listener is not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding and connecting with others. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy listening.